What is up, Tube? And welcome back to another edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. Let's get into this. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another edition of Big Al's. Guys, today is Friday, and there's no more need to hide. We have been opened back up in the state of California, guys. Today the governor announced we are okay to open back up on Monday. Business is going back to usual, guys. No more hiding from the authorities. You know what, guys, I hate working like that. I hate working undercover. I hate, you know what, but at this point, you gotta do what you gotta do to make ends meet, you know? It's been slam busy, guys, slam busy. Like today already, I'm already like 16 cuts in right now. Right now it's already 3:30 in the afternoon. This is the first break I've gotten. I actually took an hour from 3:30 to 4:30. I got 2 more appointments to go. The only reason why I took that hour is because I need change bad. I have no change, ran out of 5s, and you know, right now we charge 25, so $15 is usually what we give back when somebody needs a change. So that's what I did today. You know, I just took an hour off right now, so I can head over to the bank. Right here in Azusa, they're doing a lot of construction, so my local bank's all jacked up, so I got to go to the next city over to use their bank. But the good thing, guys, is that we are now back open as of Monday. Thank God. We were closed down for almost a month and a half again, guys. So, you know what, guys? I'm not going to throw myself out there, but I'm just going to let you guys know I did what I had to do to survive this. And, you know, not that it's over, because it's not over, you know, but we just need to be more vigilant, more careful here in our state. Wear your mask when you're out, guys. If we all wear a mask, we'll be all right. We'll be all right for a while. They won't have to shut us down again, which is ridiculous. I can't believe they shut us down again. But that's a whole different story. I don't even want to get into that. But, guys, headed to the bank. Gonna take care of this business. I'll talk to you guys after, and we'll discuss about the 5K giveaway. So with that being said, I'll talk to you guys in a little while. I just wanted to come in and give you guys the good news. California is officially back open as of Monday. Thank God. Thank you, Lord. All right, guys. It's funny, I just jumped on social media real quick while I was at the bank. Man, it's the first time I've been able to actually slow down, guys. And it makes me feel good. It makes me feel happy that there's so many barbers are going on there now and saying, like, oh, we're taking appointments for this week now. You know, a lot of people didn't close down, guys. They did close down. I mean, they really were legitly closed down. I mean, I did it the first time myself, but it's tough. And we got a phone calling me. Is that a 602 number? Let me answer. So the whole time since they closed us down, guys, what I've been doing is I had my calls forwarded to my phone, and I've been answering the phone calls, and I just answer them, and I try to decipher them and try to determine whether it's a customer or whether it's state board, you know. And most of the time I'll tell people, have you been here? And they would tell me, yeah. Just by listening to their voice, I could tell, like, they're not state board. So I would send them the link to the barbershop, and then they would book an appointment. Now, a lot of people were calling and I thought they sounded too official. I would just turn them away. I would tell them, no, we're closed, I'm sorry. You know, but that's because I don't know them, or they just sounded too official. It was funny because as a matter of fact, one of my clients came by and he just came to the door and he's all like, hey, Big Al, you taking appointments? And I'm like, yeah, taking appointments. And he goes, I just called you right now and you said you weren't. And I'm like, you must have sounded too official on the phone, dude. That's why I didn't take your call. But you know, it was just a way of me trying to not get in trouble, guys. You know, like I've told you guys in the past, I'm not that guy that's gonna go out there and protest and try to make a scene. I'm not gonna throw myself and my license and my business out there like that. I try to keep fly under the radar and try to do the right thing. Don't get me wrong. I've been wearing a mask every single time. I do not work without a mask. I work with gloves. We sanitize regularly. You know, we abide by our rules. You know, we've been extra careful with our clients, and you know, it just feels good. It feels blessed to be back open again, and to see all my fellow workers, not fellow workers, but my fellow barbers out here in the industry that have been struggling through this time, and you know, and you know, all of us, even me, dipping into the savings and trying to stay afloat, and just like I told you guys, it's all about survival. It's been, you know, it's been crazy. It's been crazy, but I'm glad that things are going back to somewhat of a normalcy, and that makes me happy. That makes me happy for my industry. So, but I'm gonna grab some food right here real quick. I still got another 30 minutes before my next appointment. I have 2 appointments left, and then we're gonna lock it up, and I'm done. Right now, when I was standing at the bank, I was like, man, my back's hurting, and I'm tired, guys. It's tired working like this every single day. But you know, it is what it is. We gotta do what we gotta do. You know what I mean? To make these ends meet, to survive this. All right. So I'll close out this video back at the shop, guys. All right, guys. That is it for today. What a day! I'm so tired, guys. I'm burnt. This is a pretty crazy day. I was here all day long, except for that time when I left to go get changed. But guys, we are back. We are back. Officially, they have announced that we are allowed to come back to work. So as of tomorrow, I mean, they're saying Monday, but I don't know why they would say Monday when it's only 2 days apart. Like, are they really thinking that we're gonna sit around for 2 days before Monday and not work? So we're open starting tomorrow. I'm pretty booked. To me, this is on you guys. Seriously, I've never been booked like this before. Even I've been doing appointments already for 2 years. Before that, I was only walk-ins only. So to me, this is on you getting booked and just shuffling clients. Today, I actually stuck in 2 in place of 1, pushed another one back and sped up on another one, and I got 2 extra haircuts in there. So, you know, I did a total of 20 haircuts today, guys. 20 haircuts. So I'm pretty burnt. For me, that's hard. That's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. Working fast, working diligently, just working. You're just like whipping out those haircuts. And trust me, guys, I'm whipping out good haircuts. I'm not whipping out chili bowls. They're all good haircuts. The clients keep coming back. But now it's going to be like the testament. You know, now that we're going to be open back up again, we're going to be open because we're open 7 days a week here. I'm just wondering how busy we're gonna be, you know. So from here on out, what I'm gonna start doing is I'm gonna work 6 days a week. The other boys are all gonna work 5 days a week. We're gonna split them all up, and we're gonna be open 7 days a week again. Hopefully Tony comes back soon. When Tony comes back, then we'll have another barber there too. But you know, we expect to be doing pretty good. And the community really loved the fact that we helped them out during this time too. So I think we gained a lot of new clients, which is a good thing. Like I told you guys yesterday, guys, if I get them the chair, if I get a person to sit in my chair, I usually will get them to come back for sure. So I'm not worried about that. I know we're gonna have clients. I'm just wondering if we're gonna stay this busy, because I mean, I've been working hard. I've been doing at least over 15 haircuts a day. And for a while last year, this whole year, it wasn't like that. I haven't been doing that. I haven't been doing this for a long time. This reminds me of like 2 or 3 years ago when I was busy like this. But back then, we didn't charge as much as we now charge now. So, you know, I guess it is. I mean, I'll tell you guys the truth. We charge 25 bucks a haircut here. That's what we charge, 25. So, but today was a good day. Today was a good day. Tomorrow, Saturday. Tomorrow, I think I'm probably like 70% booked right now. But right now, when I get home, what I do is I send out a text to, I have like probably about 70 numbers of different clients that I have. And I'm going to send out a text right there saying I have spots open for tomorrow. Then I'm going to send out an email that I send out to 463 clients. Then I also send out a post notification through my app that sends it out to over 1,000 clients. They get a notification whether they read it or not, but they get a notification saying that, you know, we have spots available for tomorrow. And that's how you do it, guys. That's what you try to do. You try to keep yourself noticed out there, you know. Have a website. I have a website. If you guys haven't seen my website, go to my website. Let me know what you guys think. Go to my website tonight, check out my website, and let me know what you guys think. It's www.biglsbarbershop.com. And I haven't updated it since the COVID thing started. I updated a little bit of COVID, but I really haven't done too much to it. I need to do a little bit more on that too. When I get home, sometimes I don't feel like doing nothing, especially after like today, man. This is a killer right here. One other thing I wanted to tell you guys, I need my tripod so I can stand there and talk. You know, I left it at home. 5K giveaway. I try to count all the people separate and both. So you know what? I just made a decision, guys. I made a decision. I made an executive decision, a big executive decision, and I'm gonna give them away both. But I'm gonna add something to it. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is give the 2 Babyliss machines away to one person. And then on top of that, I'm also going to give away one of the trimmers that I showed you guys the other day, the little slimline trimmer. I'm going to give one of those away to you guys. And those are going to be, those are going to be given away by the sponsor that sponsored me on that. They're going to send them out to you. So we're going to send them out. Whoever wins that one, I'm just going to need your information. And what I'm going to do is they're going to send it straight through Amazon. All right. So we're going to give away that trimmer, and we're going to give away those 2 machines. First prize is the Babyliss set, because that's a good machine. That's a $300, $250 because they've already been used. Put $200 prize, all right. And then the other one is the trimmer. That'll be prize number 2, just so that we can give away 2 things, and you know, we can keep it simple. And I don't have to pay for shipping on the other one. That'll be going away through Amazon. It'll be easier for me too. All right, guys. So what you need to do is you need to say, I want to win this prize. That's what I want to say. I want to win this prize. If you don't put that in there, you're not going to get chosen, because that's going to be our winning phrase. I want to win this prize. All right, guys. Again, guys, I appreciate every single one of you guys. I'm glad I'm going to be able to be back, because, you know, I haven't been vlogging, guys. I was just trying to stay undercover, you know. I'm trying not to put too much out there. But now that we're going to be working again, I shall be vlogging again and sharing and doing more videos. And I'll try to do some more tutorials. And, you know, give me some advice. Give me what you think. I still got to do the Gamma Ergo. I got to do the review on that one. I still got to do a review on the... I'm behind, guys. I'm behind. But just stay with me. And you know what? We'll get through this together. I'm glad I'm back to work, guys. I hope you guys are all working. I hope you guys are all doing good. Stay blessed out there. And remember our phrase. I already forgot it, so go back to the video and find out what it is. I think it's, I want to win this prize. Yeah, I want to win this prize, guys. I want to win this prize. All right, guys. With that being said, you guys have a blessed night, and I'll see you guys mañana.